how to buy Vinecoin token. So this token came under the symbol of Vine. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. But before that, this market cap of that token, it's $253.9 million. The volume of that token, it's $49 million. The liquidity here unlocked by 75. That's good. That's million investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, if you want to buy it via Raydium, go and open the Raydium like that. Now after that, what you need to do, click on swap here. So I will click on I understand. I will just close that. Click on swap here. Now connect your wallet. After that, select the Bitget wallet for example. After you connect your wallet, what you need to do, if you don't find the token here, go back to the screener, copy the token address from here, go back, click here, make sure to select Solana as a network, place the token address. This is our token, click on it. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, you sold, and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Type here how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you leave. After that, click on this more info, and after that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Raydium. So if you want to buy it directly to your wallet, copy the token address from here, open your Bitget wallet for that, click on wallet, select the Solana as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here as you can see. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet, go back to your wallet, find the token that you just added. So this is our token. Click on swap here, switch from here. So on the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet, and after that type how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much you receive, and after that it's easy and simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. If you use the Bybit wallet, open your Bybit wallet, select the Solana as a network, click on these three lines, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. So this is our token, click on confirm. So after that, what you need to do, go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added. So this is our token, where is it? So this is it. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Bybit exchange platform. So what you need to do here, connect your wallet, and after that what you need to do, switch from here, from the top, select the token that you have in your wallet, found it. So after that, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you leave, and after that click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy a Vine token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.